Alright, I'm creating a quick video on how to use your phone to set up Mediafire to upload your photos automatically into the cloud, meaning uploading all of your photos to Mediafire. And then once it does that, you can also download Mediafire to your desktop so that any photos that you take on your phone ultimately will be uploaded to Mediafire, and then it'll be shared with your computer as well. So anything you take will ultimately be at your computer, once you get back into Wi-Fi. So what the first step you do is I'm going to give you some screenshots here of my cell phone, because there's no other real way to be able to see my phone except through photos that I took. So this is in my apps on my phone, and you'll see this here is Mediafire. I just went to the App Store and downloaded Mediafire and set up an account. Now, I also here have Mediafire Desktop. So if you go to mediafire.com and make sure that you install the desktop version of it. And what you want to do is for your desktop, your computer version and your cell phone version, you want to have the same login and password. It's the same account. You're just using it on two separate devices, one on your computer and one on your phone. So here you have your Mediafire. So you want to double click that, or you want to select this on your cell phone. Then once you do that, here this is opening up your Mediafire app on your phone. You then go to you press the button on your phone to open up settings, and then you click settings here, and then the last page, or the last photo here, this is showing the settings on your phone. These are the two that you want to make sure you have checked. You want to make sure you only are backing up your pictures to Mediafire when you have Wi-Fi connection, so it doesn't use up all your data. And second, you want to make sure it has it checked to back up from your camera. You want to just automatically do that every time you take a photo. It's going to automatically upload to Mediafire. That's something else. Okay, so once you have that set up, then what's going to happen, once you have it set up to start syncing and you have the desktop version installed here on Mediafire, what you do is you click it, and you can either click it once and open it up and click folder here, or either you can double click this icon down here and it's going to open up your folder. Okay, now this camera folder is automatically created once you choose this setting on your cell phone to back up the camera app. Then it will automatically create this camera folder here, and then then when you open up your camera folder, you'll find that here are all the photos that you recently created or took on your cell phone. Now, I'm just giving you an example here. These are some photos that I've taken on my cell phone, and I actually currently have them being uploaded. Now, really the main reason why you're going to be doing this is for whenever you take pictures of houses. And let's just pretend that like let's say these first how many is that? 3, 6, 7. These first 14, these first two rows here are all pictures of a house. And what you want to do is you want all of these pictures to be saved to a folder that you're going to share with the rest of your team. So what you want to do, you can either highlight them however you want to. You can drag the cursor over and highlight the photos this way. Another way to do it is choose the first picture. You hold shift on your keyboard and then just choose the last picture. Let's say the last picture is this one. So you're holding shift, choose the last picture, and then it highlights all the ones that you've chosen. Then you right click and click copy. So now all those photos are chosen and copied. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click one time back. I'm going to create a new folder. So I right clicked and go down here to new and go folder. Or alternatively, you can just click new folder here at the top if you have that option. Otherwise, it's right click, go down to new, and then folder. And I'm just going to pretend like this house is at 123 Main Street. So all those pictures that I just copied, these, I want to create this new folder that only has pictures of 123 Main Street. And now I hit Control V. You can also right click and just hit paste, which is the same thing. Now it's currently moving all of these photos over, and once it's finished, it looks like, see, now you have the check marks beside them. That means that it's almost finished uploading. We'll just wait another couple seconds and it'll be complete. Now if you want to change the view so that you can actually see the pictures, let's see, we have up here, you have view. You can go here to like larger icons or extra large icons like this if you want to do that. Another way of doing that, instead of going up here, is you can always right click in the space here, go to view, and then you have the choice. I'm just going to do, let's say, medium size icons for now. So like I said, these are all photos. They're supposed to be photos of one house, with the intention of being able to save all of the information about this house in this same folder. So whenever you do research on CRS or anything else, you know, Zillow, whatever, and you want to save information, you're going to save that research into this same folder as where you have your pictures. That way, you know, you have pictures and research all in one place. Then, you know, if you've taken pictures, you've done research, and you have it all saved in one place, and then you want to share this with you know, anybody else on your team, you want to see, now you have the folder here. You want to right click the folder and you want to go down here to copy Mediafire link. Okay, see, it says context menu, Mediafire link, copy to clipboard. Then you go to your email account, choose who you're going to send it to. Let's see, Mediafire link 123 Main Street. Okay, then you're going to right click paste, and there's the link. And I am going to go ahead and just send this. He's going to be wondering what's going on when I send him this random Mediafire link. But that's essentially it. So again, download the Mediafire app on your computer, download it on your cell phone, make sure both of the accounts are the same. Then you want to choose the setting on your cell phone to automatically upload photos. Then it will start uploading all your photos to this particular folder that you can get to down here by clicking this button, and then clicking here. It opens up. You choose the photos you want to share. You create the folder. Create the folder to do that, and then you paste your pictures into the folder. And then when you have the folder you want to share, you right click and do copy Mediafire link. And then you go to your email again, open up the email, choose who it goes to, pictures, go down here, right click, paste. That's it, and then send it. That way it's so much easier than sending. The best reason for using this is you can have the largest files. You could have 10,000 pictures in one folder, and you're not limiting yourself to how many pictures you can have in one email, because I can essentially send this one link and have as many pictures in this one link in Mediafire as I want, and it's not going to be limiting me. Like, for example, this is a perfect example here. Here, the reason why I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 emails is because these are all photos, and you can only send so large of files, or a certain number of files in each email. So you won't ever have to do this whole thing again, because all it takes is one link. You send it to as many people as you want, and they get it instantly, and they don't it doesn't actually take up any space, because the Mediafire is still holding all the information on their server, like on their computers. So it's just the easiest way of doing it. I recommend doing it like this from now on. Just want to make this quick video, and that's it.